Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm going to do a 3-month ownership review of these saddlebags. These are made by Viking bags. These are the ball door 42-liter hard-sided saddlebags, and these are the painted saddlebags, and they came in black. And I'm going to tell you some of the features and what my experience has been with these bags. And I bought these right from the website, from vikingbags.com. The bags were $560 before tax and before shipping. And then I also paid $50 for the turn signal relocation kit for the rear turn signals. And I'm going to show you up close some of the features of the bags. I decided to make this purchase because I was carrying a lot of things on my backpack, and I was getting tired of it. So obviously, like many motorcycle owners, you buy a motorcycle without any saddlebags, and eventually you realize you need some carrying capacity, some storage capacity. So I ended up looking around for some options that fit this bike in particular, and I thought this option was a very good option, good price, and a good quality for the price that you pay. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the features up close of the saddlebags. They come with these black latches, and they are also lockable for security. They come with these inner bags, so you can load them up with things, and when you get to your destination, you can take out the whole bag, and then vice versa, you can put it back into the saddlebag. And that way your stuff is not all loose in the saddlebag. They do have this inner lining, which is very nice. And they come with these little pouches. These little pouches are velcroed into the side wall, and you can store things in them. This is a factory sissy bar backrest, and the saddlebags were able to be installed, and still I'm able to use the backrest sissy bar at the same time. And this is the turn signal relocation kit. So I think it looks pretty nice. Looks like in high quality. What I did was I installed the saddlebags as far back as possible without touching the turn signals, in order to give my passenger the most leg room possible, so that way she could sit more comfortably on the bike. Let me put this bag back into its place here. And these saddlebags have a lot of room. I mean, I was able to put a leather jacket in here, a full-size extra large leather jacket in there. So you can carry a lot of things. You can carry so many things. Even on a bind, you can turn it into a little grocery getter if you had to. If your vehicle is not available, then you can go get a couple of groceries if needed. And like I mentioned before, Installation was not too difficult. Um, these are the brace supports, the brackets that come with the installation kit. What you want to do is make sure, in particular on the left side, the left saddlebag, you want to make sure you have room and you don't hit the lower swing arm. So what I did to make sure of that is I installed a pipe insulation foam material in here on the swing arm. That way it doesn't rub or break the saddlebag. And I'll show you some different angles of the bike with the bags. And I think it looks pretty nice overall. Turned it into a little baby bagger. I call it my baby Road King. I did need to move the license plate. If you guys remember, the motorcycle comes with the license plate right here on the left side, hanging on this area. And so what I ended up doing was I purchased this license plate carrying plate, and I went ahead and moved it over here to the fender. So overall, I'm very happy with the saddlebags. I think they're helping me a lot. I'm able to carry things without relying on my backpack. My back is definitely thanking me for it. So I think the value for the money is there. I saw other options, other saddlebags from other companies, and they were a lot more expensive. So I think the quality is there, and I really recommend anyone looking for saddlebags to take a look at these and see if this works out for you. Let me know if you guys have any comments or questions, or if you've had these before, what your experience was. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the next one.